couple weeks ago. They had some of these running 13.1s.
Yeah. My buddy was in one.
Like this one.
What did this do?
Huh? The best I've done in this, or she's done it, 11.7.
Really?
Yeah.
I was here when there was no time boards. I was curious. It looked fast when I saw it.
It's fast. And we're not done.
Is a bad pitch for a show.
What do you got done to that thing?
So that's a Livernois build.
Yeah.
So the whole lower block has all been built on it.
Okay.
It's methanol injected.
Yeah.
The turbos are rebuilt, high flow impellers, 50% underdrive pulleys, and it's chipped and tuned.
Yeah.
And then there's some, we got some weight out of it. And the next things that we're going to do is intercooler, and we're going to also nitrous.
All right.
So
you have like a Facebook, Instagram, or anything, or?
Not for that. For my real race team, I do.
Okay.
Shameless team, but not for that car.
Well, sweet run, man.
Thanks.
What year is that?
13.
13. All right. I don't think I asked you that on the other one.
Nope, didn't.
Nice run still.
Yeah, thank you.
Close. A little spinning too.
Yeah, she didn't get it quite spooled up enough that time, so we got to work on that.
Pretty quick.
We're also looking at a torque converter change too.
Gotcha.
So that ought to really get it spooled better.
You got some goals for today?
No, actually, we hit our goal for today.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah, so now it's just more work over the winter. So.
See what happens. You done for the day, or?
Oh no, we'll run it. Yeah, just give her some seat time, and we got other cars. We got to start moving her up into some better classes.
All right. Thank you.